Bonjour, ici Brentwood. Je suis tellement excité aujourd'hui parce que Baker promet de préparer mon plat préféré de tout, le coq au vin.
Brentwood said he is very happy because today I am making his favorite French dish, coq au vin, which literally means rooster in wine. Come join me today in another delectable adventure here on Becker's Easy Eats. Coq au vin is popularly prepared with luxury red Burgundy wine, but today, I shall be using this tiny and more affordable supermarket wine which works just as well. Here are the ingredients. First, my trusty sous chef who told me he was trained in France, shall prepare all the vegetables, white button mushrooms, carrots, which we shall cut different ways, one finely chopped, and one largely diced, onion, you can use red or yellow one, garlic, and the thick bacon. Now, we are going to prepare the chicken pieces. Season the chicken legs and thighs with salt, pepper, dust with all-purpose flour.
We would appreciate it if you like this video. Leave a bit of nice comment below. Share this with your best friend. And of course, subscribe to our Plushie channel. And so you won't miss any updates. Hit the ding ding bell too.
In a hot pan with olive oil and butter, fry the thick bacon until brown. Remove and set aside. Next, fry the button mushroom until cooked. Set aside. Using the flavored oil, fry the chicken pieces, skin side down until golden brown. Remove and set aside. Next we shall saute the aromatics, garlic, onion, and the finely chopped carrots. Cook the tomato paste for a few seconds before adding in the all-purpose flour. Stir well until the flour is well cooked. Pour in the red wine, and then the chicken stock. Bring to boil. Add in the bacon and the chicken. Throw in the bay leaves and the dried thyme. Cover and slow cook in medium heat for about 40 to 50 minutes or until chicken is tender. Lastly, throw in the largely diced carrots and the mushrooms. Cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Add chopped parsley. So there you have it, my dear friends. The French classic, coq au vin. Try it at home too.
C'est vraiment délicieux. Merci beaucoup, Baker.
Want to thank all my dear friends who contributed through Buy Me a Coffee. Please continue to support my Plushie channel. See you again next week.